Terry, how are you, man?
Doing good. How are you?
Doing good. I'm doing great.
Hey,
Yeah, this is just another pair of those wonderful Chevelles, man, out here at the expo, man. I was looking at, and I'm going black and silver, and they're owned by you. So I'm guessing you did both of the cars, and you may have a restoration shop.
I do. Terry Davis Restorations in Withwell, Virginia. Specialize in 66 and 67 Chevelles. Yes, I do own both of these. They were finished in September of 2015, and we have kind of tried to do the show circuit with them ever since.
You're not one of those elderly gentlemen, you know, that try to restore these cars. You're a young man still. What enticed you to do these old Chevelles?
I grew up around cars, drag racing, muscle cars. My whole family was into it.
Yeah.
Fortunately, it's just been a passion of mine my whole life.
Yep.
You know,
Cool.
so got some good customers. Have some, you know.
I can tell by the red line tires, yeah, you're all into it, man. Detail, buddy. Wow. You got silver and white. You got black on black. All original big blocks in both of them. Sweet. One of these was yours when you was a kid?
My father gave me that car when I was 10 years old.
I knew it.
You know, it was one of those blackmail things. He said, if you behave, you can have it. If you mess up, it's gone.
Yeah, he's telling us, folks, that he was a little angel. Yeah, man. Like you never got out on Friday and Saturday night and burnt rubber in that thing.
Well, let's say I didn't get in enough trouble to lose the car.
Gotcha.
So it was all good.
Okay, gotcha. Right. What's that on your arm, man?
Well, that's actually the VIN number for that car. My father,
we'll get a close up at that in a little bit. Dollar Bill, we're going to go see that. Is that correct numbers?
That is it. You know, very emotionally attached to that car. Like I say, my father gave it to me. I lost my father a couple years ago, and it's just it's one of those things that is part of my childhood and has just it's an extension of me basically.
Wow. That's cool, man. Hey, throw your shop a plug, because I probably want to come up there and cover something that you guys are doing later on. Yeah,
we have some interesting projects in the works. We do everything. I work on all years, but like I say, my specialty is 66 and 67 because that's what I know.
Gotcha.
We actually have one of the 201 Z16 65 Chevelles we're getting ready to do.
There we go, yeah.
That's for a customer of mine. It's should be an interesting project.
That would be interesting. Yeah. And what years did you say these are?
These are both 1966 Super Sport Chevelles.
66 was a good year. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, I appreciate you showing them to us, man.
No problem.
Thank you,
Nice
sir.
to talk to you.
All right, sir.